Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I am back with another video. I apologize if it's a little bit echoey. I'm filming in my bathroom near my vanity. I thought this is kind of a appropriate location for this kind of video. So this video is going to be about my summertime / pregnancy skincare routine. I noticed that my skin got very dry during the past few months, so I've been back and forth switching out some products, and I just wanted to show you my updated skincare routine. But before I start this video, I would like to tell you a little bit more about the partner for this video. This is a brand, Dossier perfumes. I already mentioned it many times. I love working with them. I love their products. Their perfumes are made in France, and they are much more, let's say, they have much more value than those expensive brands that you can find in Ulta and Sephora, because the bottle like this, which is like 50, yeah, this one is the 50 milliliters, it's about $29. They have a different promo codes and sales going on, so the more bottles you buy, the less you pay. And then they also have the money back guarantee program, so with every purchase you get this little tester so you can try it out. If you don't like it, you can always return it. And they're also vegan and cruelty free, and as I said, they're made in France. So I really enjoy working with them, and I really enjoy using their perfume. So this one is one of their newer fragrances. It's the Spicy Orchid, and it's one of my current favorites. Just gonna try this out for you. Yep, it smells very nice. So what I also like, that this is like a glass bottle. It's really well made. It has this magnetic cap. So I have a whole collection by them, and I really like them. So check them out at dossier.com, and I will post a link down below if you want to see for yourself what kind of fragrances you might like on their website. So so every night when I'm cleansing my makeup, like I probably have a makeup twice or 3 times a week when I go out and it's like really in public with the kids, you know. So I usually use this really cool Clarins one-step gentle exfoliating cleanser. I just have like a little dot on my finger, and I put a little bit of water in there, and I just wash my face with it. I noticed that it does not dry my skin. I can use it every day, even with or without makeup, so it really doesn't dry it. And it exfoliates, so it really cleans my pores, but it doesn't like overly strips my skin. So I really enjoy that. And it's like, I don't know if I can show you the little texture. It has like a little bit of it's a little bit granulated, but it's very soft. And once you rub it, it turns into a little bit of like a soapy or foamy texture. So it really exfoliates, but very gently. So also I noticed that to prevent my skin from like completely drying out, I need to use some kind of masks at least once or twice a week. So I'll show you the masks that I choose recently. And I also use this, how is it called? I don't even know how it's called. This is like a steamer for your face. I got it on Amazon. They have a bunch of different ones. So you just pour water in there. It comes with this little measuring cup. You just fill it up with water. Put it inside there. It warms up within like a minute or so. Press this button, and then you just hold your face like this, and it steams your face. So for about like 5 or 7 minutes, you really feel like your pores are open up and you are ready to put on some kind of mask. So as far as the masks, I picked this up from Ulta like a month or 2 ago. I figured that this is like a great value. It's called Let's Get Sheet Faced, and it's by brand I Do Care, and it comes with like 14-day sheet masks, and there's like a variety of them. I still have a bunch, so see, they're all kind of different. Well, not all of them. I think they're like every 2 or 3 of them are different. So they have this blue one, which is pore tightening tea tree mask, and then they have this one, which is the brightening citrus lime mask. So this brightening one I usually use during the day, but in the evening I like this one. This is the Hydrating Lotus flower mask. This is the one that I'm planning to use tonight, because like I told you, the hydration is the issue for me. So I really need to like really calm my skin down with a little bit of a hydration. So the next one is the Distressing Mugwort Leaf Mask, and then I believe they have one more, which is Nourishing Olive Mask. This one is also good, and I already used them up quite a bit, so I really enjoy them, and then they are very like good value. I don't remember how much this box cost. You can look it up on like the Ulta website. I will try to post a link down below if I remember, if I find it. But yeah, I've been really enjoying them. Okay, so after I apply this mask and I leave it on for about 20 minutes, and after I remove it, I know you're supposed to just like pat the remaining mask like back on your face and things like that. But I actually don't like doing that, because I put this mask when I'm in the bathtub, for example, and then I do the rest of my routine when I get out of the bathtub. So I just proceed with my regular like a daily regimen. So I use this one. It's also by Clarins, Hydrating Toning Lotion. Just put it on the cotton pad and just wipe it all over my face. I noticed that I used different tonics on my face, and I noticed that this one is not overly drying, so which is, you know, really good, especially for like winter time. I know a lot of people have problems with dry skins, and I know like especially during pregnancy people have dry skin problem as well. Summertime is a little bit different, but this summer is totally different for me because my skin is like acting very weird. So I use this daily. It also doesn't dry my skin too much. So after that, I use this thing. I think I showed it you a few times, but I really enjoy it. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Nighttime Repair. I actually use it morning and in the evening. I figured that this is probably one of the items that I'm using that's kind of like fighting the aging of skin. So I really noticed that it moisturizes my skin, it's hydrating, and it really, I don't know, maybe it's preventing wrinkles on my face, I don't know. But I really been using that for a long time, and I picked it up like a full size. I usually have like a samplers, so I really like that. And this is another new item that is in my skincare routine. I try to use this daily as well. So this is the Tula skincare 24/7 moisture hydrating day and night cream. What's cool about it, once again, I don't like to use too many products, so I just like the variety that I can use this in the morning and then I can use it in the evening, because I try to take care of my face twice a day, just like I brush my teeth. So I've been using this one and I really enjoy it. The texture of it, I don't like hydrating creams and lotions and moisturizers that are too like transparent or too watery. I notice they don't stay on. I put them on and my skin like sucks it right in. So I really enjoyed using this one. It's really like a lotion. It's pretty thick. I don't know if I said it correctly. Pretty thick, and it has very subtle smell. It doesn't smell like florally or anything like that, and it really stays on. I feel like it's not too oily, but it's not too watery either. So it's like protecting my skin and hydrates it. It works very well under the makeup. It works very well as the overnight cream. So I really enjoy using it. So, and that is it pretty much for my everyday skincare routine during the summer and during this last few months of my pregnancy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me your comments down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.